Contestant number 7, Mr. T.K. Ramesh. Mr. T.K. Ramesh, contestant number 7.
Mr. Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters, judges, and the speaker, Meghna in particular. I was happy to be here today to listen to a riveting speaker. Riveting in the sense you addressed so aptly today. The first focus which anybody can get from the discussion is they have to focus on the speaker, which you made it happen. Your smiling countenance, the confident voice you had, ensure that I am hooked to your speech. The title of the speech indicated that you are trying to attempt an inspirational speech. And the opening statements supported them. Project 1 to Project 9, I have not done inspirational speech. Very clearly said, you want to give an inspirational speech. You moved on to the body of the speech nicely. From there, I found two different paths operating in you. One is attempting to present an inspirational thought in the form of a speech. And second, actually trying to inspire others. In your attempt to present an inspirational thought, which is follow your passion, you almost made it. You had the right ingredients for the inspirational speech. You had an example of a living legend in the form of Sachin Tendulkar and presented so vividly, so humorously. Had he been an auditor, how he will struggle, or how the entire world around him will try to make him, or convince him to do the CA role, what he has to do, and make him feel proud of it. And we also quoted examples of Lata Mangeshkar, your own mother. You presented your own friend who was a swimmer, your brother Karan. You presented a lot of people's thought on how they wanted to be what they want and where they are. And there when you presented your mother, somewhere you were struggling between her inspiration and persuasion. You are not very clear which of her quality actually affected you. Right? And you had enough quotes which supported your statement, and you had questions which actually made us think. So in your attempt to give an inspirational speech, you succeeded. If you have to inspire the audience, it requires a little more effort. What it requires? An inspirational speech, you had a component which is talking about somebody, you need to bring in what happened to you as a person. If you share that, then the inspiration from your insight affects me more. What would have made your speech really an inspirational speech are you were rooted to your place, moving around and getting that energy distributed to the audience, your voice volume and a better eye contact, and above all, a maximum energy to your speech. Benjamin Franklin said, will impinge anybody with a lot of energy. Right? These are areas which I want to look at. If I have to make this attempt to inspiring an audience, to actually inspiring an audience. And what was good about your speech? A genuine approach to share a good thought. A smiling person who is sharing an important information to you. The aptness of the topic today and the very apt example you provided of Sachin Tendulkar, it made the mark that we have to follow our passion. And I am going back to you.